Discover the heart of Cebu through its incredible craftsmanship. Step into workshops where tradition comes alive, revealing stories in every carved detail and woven thread. This is more than just art. It's a living cultural heritage waiting for you. Cebuano artisans possess skills passed down through generations. They transform raw materials into objects of beauty and utility. Each piece reflects dedication and a deep connection to their roots. Witness the precision in wood carving. Tools shape the timber, sometimes requiring a lansang, nail. Watch as they lansang on to nail pieces securely, building intricate designs. Experience the vibrant world of Cebuano weaving. Skilled hands work looms to create stunning textiles. Beautiful panopton fabric emerges, rich in color and pattern. See how they weave a cozy hobble blanket. Every thread tells a story of patience and artistry. These handmade goods are truly unique treasures. From wood to fabric, every item is carefully created. Watch as artisans suds sand, wood smooth, or shape wood with expertise. It's a mesmerizing process of transformation. These crafts are not just products, they are cultural expressions. They offer a tangible link to Cebu's history and artistic spirit. Ready to see this magic firsthand? Visit local workshops and markets. Support these incredible artisans and take home a piece of Cebu's soul. Learn a little Cebuano, appreciate the skill, and immerse yourself in this vibrant culture.